Hi, I'm going to demonstrate the AircraftRouteGenerator, one of the SDK server geoprocessing tools for ArcGIS. This tool will use SDK to propagate an aircraft through user-defined waypoints and return the aircraft's position and sensor footprints over time. If I open up the AircraftRouteGenerator, you can see that I can pass the waypoints describing the latitude, longitude, and altitude that I desire the aircraft to be propagated through. Here is the speed and turn radius, which SDK will use when propagating this aircraft, as well as the sampling period, which determines how often I will return an aircraft position and sensor footprint from its attached payload. When I click OK, the model will be run. This data is passed as input to SDK server. SDK server will calculate the aircraft position over time, as well as the sensor footprints, and return them as feature classes to ArcGIS. So you see here the results. I have the aircraft position over time, as well as a sensor footprint captured once every second along this route. Let's take a closer look at how this was generated in SDK. When we run the geoprocessing tool, SDK server will virtually load an SDK scenario containing a user-defined aircraft platform, as well as any associated payloads. The waypoints, speed, and turn radius are passed as inputs to SDK, and it will propagate this aircraft through space and time. SDK calculates the sensor's intersections with terrain and will return this data to ArcGIS as a polygon feature class. So you can see that interaction here. Let's take a closer look at this aircraft. I will zoom into it in the 3D graphics window. Here you can see that it's a simple UAV model that we've created here. But notice that as the aircraft banks through this turn, it not only changes the orientation of the aircraft, but also the pointing of the attached sensor payload. Also, you'll notice that we've loaded in terrain data for this region, and again, we're accurately calculating the sensor's interaction with this terrain. For more information on these tools, please contact asia-support@agi.com.